How is a surfboard created? That's an excellent question. Mōnō boards derive from the grassroots California surf scene. Chris Ruddy has been in and out of the surf industry for the last 40 years. He fell in love with surfing as a child, and it's been calling him back ever since. I got a chance to visit the factory with my family and see how their boards are created. Here's what I learned. Our journey begins with a solid blank, ordered with a stringer and specific foam for stability and durability. Using precision technology, they employ a CNC machine with a cutter to shape the initial outline of the Wakesurf board. This high-tech tool ensures accuracy and consistency. Now it's time for their skilled board shapers to take the reins. Armed with a collection of hand tools, each curve, contour, and angle is shaped with expert precision and care. When the shaping is complete, the fin box locations are marked, the board is given a serial number, and signed. Equipped with a routing tool, they create precision slots for the fin boxes to be installed, ensuring a secure and reliable attachment. Having fins in the correct location provides the foundation for an exceptional riding experience. With the slots ready, they proceed to install the fin boxes. Attention is given to the alignment and secure fastening, guaranteeing optimal performance and stability on the water. A Wakesurf board's strength and durability lies in its fiberglass weave. Expertly applying a layer of fiberglass cloth with a very specific thickness ensures uniform coverage and reinforcement across the board's surface. This important process strengthens the board, making it ready for you to ride some gnarly waves. Now it's time for the resin and glassing process, the transformative stage where the Wakesurf board comes alive. A precise mixture of resin is skillfully applied to the fiberglass, saturating the weave and creating a rock-solid bond. This combination not only enhances the board's durability, but also contributes to its buoyancy and performance. Adding a touch of personalization and style, eye-catching decals are carefully applied to the Wakesurf board. These designs not only embrace the monkey nature of the Mōnō brand, but also enhances the overall aesthetics of the board. Before we move forward, the Wakesurf board goes under the lights for a thorough sanding, ensuring a smooth and flawless surface. Each board is checked for quality to ensure it meets their standards of craftsmanship and performance. And there you have it, the mesmerizing journey of creating a Mōnō Wakesurf board. From the initial CNC cutting to the meticulous hand shaping, precision fin box installation, and the fiberglassing process. Every step is a testament to their dedication to quality and performance. Join us on the waves and experience the artistry and innovation that Mono Wakesurf boards have to offer. If you want to check out another wakesurfing education video, click right here. And remember, subscribe, shine bright, and I'll see you in the next video.